being able to only share to 5 groups at any one time on WhatsApp is a terrible workflow. And not only that, you can't actually like save the ones you've done. So you can kind of sometimes make a mistake and share the same thing to the same group, which is basically very awkward and embarrassing. But what I'm about to show you is a Chrome extension that solves both of those problems in one go. So let's say I have to share all of these files, these texts, images, whatever it is. So I click on the down arrow, and then I have this new button over here which says share with 5+. Now when I click on that, something magical happens. I'm able to select the things I want to share, and then I click on forward messages as you would normally, and then this is where the real magic happens. This is where this extension, this Chrome extension, is going to allow you to literally choose what you want to share to. So let's say I wanted to share to all my real estate groups. So I can type real estate, and here I have all my real estate groups. Now if I select all, it will share to 5. So let me make sure there's more than 5 picked here, so that we're selecting 6 unique groups. Now this is the fantastic functionality. You see this button here, save as preset. If I click on that, it will say, what would you like to call this preset? Now this preset is basically going to be the list of groups. So even if there's 100 groups in here, it will save it, so you never have to ever remember the list of groups that you're always searching for. You know, when you're looking for groups forever, this is going to solve that problem. My NYC real estate groups. Soon we'll use it as well to show you how easy it is. Now we've saved it. Now we can basically see the chosen groups, share to 6 locations. When I click on this, it's about to do basically mimicking human behavior. It's literally going to type in the search bar, as you can see at the top here. It's typing in the search bar, it's clicking, it's forwarding the content to all of the groups, and when it finishes, there's a random delay which basically makes WhatsApp feel that this is human and not robotic behavior, because we all care about our WhatsApp accounts. We want to make sure they last forever, and as you can see, it's posted into all of these groups, and then it goes right back and does the same thing to the next 5 groups. So it keeps kind of doing what a human would actually do, what you as a human would be doing if it wasn't for this Chrome extension. So this Chrome extension is coming to save you time, give you control over how you're posting and how quickly you can do this. So you can like go and do something else and let this work by itself. You don't actually have to sit here and watch it do the 6th group, because we're posting here in 6 groups. So as you can see, it's posting into the 6th group and it's finished. It's just posted in all of the groups, and you'll get a congratulations message. 1 second, let's see. Let's give it a second. In no time, it's going to say congratulations. Now, I want to show you some of the safety features which will make sure your account is going to be kept safe. And the way to find these is to click on the Chrome extension. Now, up till now, we haven't clicked on the Chrome extension at all. But if you click on the Chrome extension, what you'll find is that you have delays between each batch of 5 messages. Now, you can literally choose anything here. You can like maybe put 20 seconds so that it waits after posting to 5 groups, so that it looks like you're really searching for the groups, even though you're not. You're just having a cup of coffee. And there's an awesome another one, randomized batch delay. Now when you click on this, it adds 2 to 10 seconds at a random variation, so that WhatsApp doesn't think it's robotic. Now, to be perfectly honest with you, because this extension mimics human labor, it doesn't actually do anything robotically. So I really think even without these safety features, you'd be fine. But if you want to be 100% sure that your account will be safe and secure and not banned, then definitely just, choose a random number here and check this box before you start posting. That is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you follow us, because we have much more than just software and Chrome extensions. Who are we? We are Solations.com. Solations.com is a company that's whole purpose is to help business owners use AI and solutions to make their life easy. So what we just saw is this one. You can add it to Chrome by clicking here. We also have the exact same Chrome extension just for Facebook. It's called Multiple Group Share Assistant. You can do it for Facebook as well. So definitely follow us if you want to make sure you never miss these automation tools that are going to keep your account safe and have you posting to all of your groups seamlessly without using your brain searching for groups each time. And that's it. Oh, one last thing before I leave you. When you do share with 5+, I forgot to show you that you can always select a saved grouped list. Remember we talked about this. If you click on this, you don't actually have to search here for anything. You literally select a saved group list and you can choose the group you want. So if I choose this one, the one we actually did, so it will just select the 6 groups and that's it. It's basically, and then when I want to share, I just click share and that's it. It will be that easy to share without even looking for the groups ever again. We got you guys. We got you. See you in the next one.